Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
So I know I'm bad at filming. We've definitely got a lot of work done on the old girl. We just got the bumper off, did some finishing up here in the front, the hood, got the ram air vent, I guess if you want to call it, off. I just got done sanding up the top of the roof today. There's a lot of little bits and pieces I got to get worked on and sanded down because Rob really wants to get this thing primed tomorrow. Got Ryan back here. There you go, Skyline guy, putting a brand new radio in the car. Got a brand new speaker in there we can go check out here pretty quick. Whole dash is all taken apart for that. But you know, she's coming along. She's coming along real good. I don't know, people are saying just clear coat it. Can't see it. It's just gotta be green. It's gotta be. It's actually a little bit darker than that green right there. Pretty much gonna be, I mean, that's actually maybe pretty close to that. I mean, slightly darker, but that...
Like granny apple green?
I think a little bit darker. It's going to be kind of like an emerald green, but she's going to be pretty, I tell you. Here she is in this brand new radio. Got the double in-dash speaker replacement. Where did I buy this from? Custom Auto Sound. That was like classic somethings, but
classic car stereos.
Classic car stereos. Brand new radio. Take, come on. Get rid of that equalizer. Nobody needs that anyways. She's all ripped apart. Covered in all that dust from sanding off all the black. What if the hood, the horn? No? Oh, it does work. It's kind of cheesy.
Yeah, when he gets the
Please get out of the way. Excuse me, sir. Whoa.
You get your truck horn on. You get you like an air horn on this motherfucker.
Hell yeah.
Get the hell out the way.
I think we're gonna get rid of the CB too. This ain't no 90s Chevy trying to go off-road, old son. Gosh damn near factory again. We need a real good name. A real good name for this car. She's gonna be green with a Mustang 6-speed and a Coyote swap. Keep her coming, you good? Good? Alright, I think we're going to officially call this one a wrap since the primer is pretty much on. I don't think we really need to cover the sanding. We've got enough sanding video of taking the black paint off. Oh. How bad of an O?
Just a little scratch.
Oh. Dying.
I can't see.
Alright guys, if you guys have been watching the channel, you realize actually I sold this truck to Stavaki. I missed Stavaki last November or so. Coming back from a fishing trip, they were selling, it was too good of a deal. I had to pick her back up. Unfortunately, another good deal happened last night. Just got rid of this truck to Rob over at Rigs to Rods here. He just gave away Forgotten Sacrifice, this awesome little 63 Ford, but traded off the old girl for a 2012 5-liter Coyote going to the Gran Torino. So that'll be later on. She'll be staying here. No more videos on it probably. 5-liter Coyote though. Stay tuned.
Every time you buy yourself a new vehicle, you need to test drive every vehicle like you fucking stole it.